Hello dear traders, this is Petko Aleksandrov and I continue now with some more results that I have into the account where I have left the expert advisors. You can see already I have 408 euro and 15 cents as a profit into the account, and this account has been running for about a week. So you can see that already I have a lot of trades closed into my account, which gives me a little bit better idea about the expert advisors. And probably you will notice that I have just 3 chart windows over here, one for euro pound, one for euro dollar, and one for pound dollar, and I don't have the expert advisors. Well, this is because I am on a trip right now and I have the platform on my laptop where I just log in into the account and I follow the results. So the expert advisors are running on my computer at the office, but I just log in into the same account from my laptop to monitor the results. But of course I cannot change any of the expert advisors from here. I cannot pause them or stop them, and this is not the idea of algorithmic trading. I aim at fully algorithmic trading, so I don't close trades manually or remove expert advisors every day for no reason. And especially when I'm traveling, I don't touch anything because I want to manage the account when I am in the office, concentrated on the trading. However, now is the weekend, you can see the market watch doesn't move, and I wanted to record this video just to show you a little bit more of a statistics that we follow with FXblue. And one more time, we are not connected to this website, so don't take it as a recommendation. The idea is that from the account history in your account, it is very hard to see which strategies actually make profit or not. Even you have the comments here, you can sum the results, but when your account keeps trading for couple of weeks or even months, it will be nearly impossible for you to calculate it, or you will need to export it into Excel file and do some calculations there. Now the easiest way for me so far is the FXblue website. There are different such websites as far as I know, but this one works just fine for me. So what we have here is the symbol, and you can see how many trades were closed with the euro pound, with the euro dollar, and from this I see that they are having equal exposure. It's not that one of the currencies will trade more than the other. And then we have the gross profit for a currency, the gross loss, the net profit. And here, very interesting, you can see that most of the profit came till the moment from euro dollar. Euro pound so far is losing, and this is really great statistic, especially if you have a portfolio of many currency pairs. From here you can monitor which one brings you profit, and if there is a currency pair that brings you losses, you better stop trading with it or create new expert advisors for it. Okay, and then you have the profit factor, winners, losers, all the other statistics that we saw into the strategy. Now in strategy we have much more results. You can see on the top I arrange normally the profitable expert advisors, on the bottom are the losing expert advisors, and to make it clear, these are expert advisors that are losing for the current market conditions. It doesn't mean they are losing in the long term. And we have the count of trades, so normally I wait for 5 count of trades at least with the expert advisor in order to decide whether I want to keep it on my live account. And what is the purpose of the whole thing? What is the idea that I follow? Simply, I create expert advisors, I test them daily, and I select the top performers to put into my live account. Now I would not suggest you to hurry with live accounts. You better open, for example, a second demo account and place there the top expert advisors that you choose from your account, and this way you will just practice the system. So there are different methods you can use. You can use the win-loss ratio, which will mean that, for example, you can trade the expert advisors that keep trading to 7 out of 10 profitable trades, or 6 out of 10, or if you want to go more aggressively, you can use 8 out of 10, and you can combine it with the number of trades or the profit factor, which is still not calculated for the strategies, because you can see the top ones are just making profits without losses yet. And when you start testing the expert advisors, you will have a better idea which ones actually you want to keep trading with. But the thing is that I really don't put such expert advisors in one account and wait for days not doing anything. What I do is I generate strategies daily with different ranges for the stop loss and the take profit, different acceptance criteria, different methods in the generator or in the reactor, and I open different demo accounts, test hundreds of strategies, and this is my daily routine. I mean, this is my work, this is what I do. But if you find time really to generate strategies daily, even you run the generator in the morning and in the evening you have ready strategies, put them for trading, and then run the generator again overnight. On the morning, put the new expert advisors in a different account or in the same one, and just keep practicing to test the expert advisors and to filter which expert advisors you want to trade on your live account. Or one more time, I would suggest you to start with another demo account, like simulating it was a real account. Alright, and what more statistics we have here? We have the chart where you can see the profit of the account. What I had is a really great profit line so far. You can see above 400 euro, and let's see actually how many pips is that, because this is quite interesting for me. It is right over here. The net pips are 508. 508 pips is really great result for me. And there are different statistics over here. Something interesting as well is the direction, so you can see which are the long trades more profitable or the short trades. In my case, definitely the sell orders or the short trades made the profit into the account, and actually some losses from the long trades. Now we have symbol plus direction, so you can see which currency pair in which direction made profit, which made loss. The euro dollar going down made above 404 euro of a profit. We have the monthly results, which you might have a look after a couple of months testing the expert advisors. Weekly, which will show you the results for the week, and today we have the day results, so you can see during which days you made a profit. Hours during the days are interesting as well, so you can see at what hours you are actually making profit, when are the losing hours, and here we have days of week. So by all of these statistics you can have really much better idea about the strategies, especially one more time the symbols. If you notice with the time that a symbol makes only losses and it doesn't bring you profits, you better stop trading with this symbol or create new expert advisors for it. Alright, so having a look one more time at the strategy, what I focus the most is the net profit, the profit factor, the count of trades, and one more time you can do win-loss ratio, which will be how many trades to be profitable out of 10, for example. And keep in mind that when you build your rules when to move an expert advisor from your demo account to your live account, then you make sure that you have rules for the other way around. What rules to follow to keep your experts in the live account before moving it to the demo account. Again, you can use these statistics. You can keep the expert advisors, for example, that have profit factor above 1.2. You can keep the expert advisors that have win-loss ratio of 70%, which would be 7 out of 10 trades to be profitable. You can combine these to add the count of trades. So for example, to wait for minimum of 5 trades and so on. And if you have a look one more time at the MetaTrader, it is really hard to have such statistics from the account history. We just see what was the order when it was open, what asset, the price, the stop loss, the time, the price, swap, profit, and the comment. But we cannot really see which strategy made the profit, which made losses, unless we calculate it, and then we will need to calculate the profit factor, and it will be really hard for you to take some statistics for the days of week or the hours, and all the rest we have on FXblue. So when I was looking into the account this morning, I decided to record such a lecture where I will explain a little bit more about the statistics and what conclusions you can make out of them. And this is the method I use. Of course, you can use any other methods to follow your results, to generate the strategies with Expert Advisor Studio. The great thing is that it provides us the opportunity to trade with many strategies, to build portfolio of expert advisors without programming skills and even without having experience in trading. You can generate strategies and just practice it. It gets really interesting when you learn how to do it, and you will find that there are many possibilities with it. As you can see in this account, I had 408 euro or above 500 pips for 1 week of trading, which is really great. You can see that the trades were closed on 11th of June and they started, if I just arrange it according to time, you can see it is from 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and these are actually 4 days, not even a week. And also don't get afraid if your account gets on a loss where you are testing the expert advisors. The idea, one more time, is to take the profitable expert advisors to see which strategies are currently profiting for the current market conditions and which strategies are in their losing phase at the moment and you want to remove them, or simply you will just keep trading them on the demo account until they get on profit as well and start showing some positive results. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have questions, always drop them in the forum. Don't hesitate to ask me. Cheers!